everyone, in this video I am going to enumerate the supports and coverings of our body, which are our muscles. Let's first begin with the anterior, then next to the posterior. So let's start with our head. We have here the masseter, the temporalis. Our facial, we have the epicranius subfrontal belly, the orbicularis oculi, the zygomatigus, then the orbicularis oris. Then next we have our neck. Here is the platysma. Then next is the sternohyoid and the sternocleidomastoid. In our shoulder, we have the trapezius, then the deltoid. In our arm, we have here the tricep brachii, then the bicep brachii, then the radialis. Next, our forearm, we have here the pronator teres, brachioradialis, flexor carpi radialis, then the palmaris lumus. In our thorax, we have the pectoralis minor, pectoralis major, the serratus anterior, then the intercostals. In our abdomen, we have the rectus abdominis, the external oblique, then the internal oblique, then the transverse abdominis. In our pelvic or thigh, we have here the iliopsoas, the pectaneus, then we have here the tensor fasciolata, the sartorius, then the adductor longus, then the gracilis. In our thigh, we have here the rectus femoris, the vastus lateralis, then the vastus medialis. Next, we have our leg. Here we have the fibularis longus, the digitorium, the extensor digitorium longus, then the anterior, the tibialis anterior. Then we have here the gastrocnemius, then the soleus. So next, let's start with our posterior view. We have here the epicranius of occipital belly, the sternocleidomastoid, the trapezius, and the deltoid. And we have here the infraspinatus, the teres major, then the rhomboid major, latissimus dorsi. We have here the splenius capitis, splenius cervicis, the levator scapulae, rhomboid minor, then the rhomboid major. Then we have here our arm, then we have here the tricep brachii, then the radialis. We have here the brachioradialis, then here we have the extensor carpi radialis lumus, then the flexor carpi ulnaris, then the extensor carpi ulnaris, then the extensor digitorium. Then we have here the gluteus medius, then the gluteus maximus. Then here the adductor magnus, then the gracilis. Then here we have our hamstring. We have here the bicep femoris, then the semitendinosus, then the semimembranosus. Then here our leg, we have the gastrocnemius, then the soleus, then the fibularis longus, then the calcaneal tendon. That was the muscles or the covering and support of our body in human body. Thank you for watching.